Hey there, shoe enthusiasts! Welcome back to my channel where today we're diving into something every sneakerhead needs, the ultimate shoe cleaning kit essentials. Let's face it, keeping your kicks looking crisp isn't just about appearances, it's about preserving the quality and lifespan of your prized footwear. So let's jump right into it. First up, we have the cleaning solution. This is the backbone of any shoe cleaning kit. Look for a solution that's versatile enough for different materials, whether it's leather, suede, or canvas. A good one will cut through grime without damaging your shoes. Next, you'll need a soft bristle brush. Trust me folks, this is crucial. A soft bristle brush is gentle on your shoes but tough on dirt. It's perfect for those delicate materials like suede and nubuck. But wait, don't forget the medium bristle brush. This one's your go-to for the midsoles and tougher spots. It gets in there and really scrubs away the stubborn dirt. You gotta have both. Now let's talk about microfiber towels. You might think any old rag will do, but microfiber towels are super absorbent and won't scratch your shoes. Always have a few on hand to wipe down your kicks after cleaning. Ever heard of a sneaker eraser? It's a game changer. Perfect for those small scuffs and marks on your midsoles. Just rub it gently and watch those blemishes disappear. Alright, moving on to shoe trees. These aren't just for maintaining the shape of your shoes, they also help with absorption of excess moisture, keeping your kicks fresh and odor-free. Pro tip, always use shoe trees when you're not wearing your shoes. And of course, you can't forget about water and stain repellent. This is your shield against future grime. Apply it after cleaning and let it dry. It'll keep your shoes looking new and make the next cleaning session a breeze. For the finishing touch, invest in a good shoe polish. This is especially important for leather shoes. A good polish not only restores shine, but also adds a protective layer. So, there you have it. The ultimate shoe cleaning kit essentials to keep your footwear looking fresh and fabulous. Remember, taking care of your shoes is an investment in their longevity. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to master your shoe game. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep those kicks clean. Peace out. And remember, a well-maintained shoe collection is a happy shoe collection. See you in the next video.